Hi, I want to show you how to restart or turn off your Google Pixel 9a. For that, you can use buttons. For example, you can use power button and volume up buttons. You need to press and hold them together to see this menu. And now you can tap here to turn off or here to restart. Also, you can hold just power button itself if you set it for power off menu but not Gemini Assistant. Now the next way is to use quick settings. So swipe down from top right corner, then swipe down again. And on the bottom you should see this little power button icon. By clicking it, you can also choose to turn off your phone or restart. And also you can ask your Gemini Assistant to turn off your phone. For that, I'm gonna trigger it. So, hey Google, restart my phone.
Opening power options.
And now you just need to tap restart. And as you can see, the phone will be restarted. You can do the same, but say turn off my phone and then pick the same option in the list. And in case if your phone is lagging and you cannot tap on the screen, then you need to hold power and volume up buttons at the same time. But ignore this power off menu. Continue holding till the screen will be completely turned off. So just continue holding. And now we can release the buttons and just wait for the phone to turn back on. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.